Hi everyone and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill, the complete course. So this is assignment module 3 for 3D Toolpaths and Machining Strategies, which we have learned. So what we have learned in this module is about the 3D model area clearance, model rest area clearance, model profile, model rest profile, slice area clearance, and slice profile. So this time, I'm going to give you an assignment on this module. The assignment is just look like that. So this is the model named as cowling.dgk. So what you have to do is you have to load this or import this model in the software using Autodesk PowerMill Ultimate. And after import this model, what you have to do is you have to create model area clearance and rest machining toolpaths for the given model. So here are the steps you have to follow. Import the model file named as cowling.dgk into Autodesk PowerMill 2024. You have to create a block, create work plane on the block center position. Use tool 12mm flat end mill for roughing operation. Set optimum depth of cut and style for both roughing and rest machining operations. For rest machining, use 5mm flat end mill. Set RPM approximately 5000 and cutting speed 2000 and coolant on flood. Simulate both operations and check your assignment. So you have to follow all these steps, and the file is attached with the assignment. So best of luck. Thank you very much.